This everyday item saved countless lives in wartime. Its surprising origin story begins with a simple plea. This everyday item saved countless lives in wartime. Its surprising origin story begins with a simple plea. Duct tape, a roll of sticky silver versatility. It mends, seals, and fixes almost anything today. But its journey started far from home repairs. We often overlook its incredible, crucial beginnings. Prepare to discover duct tape's unexpected humble origins. The year was 1943. World War II raged globally. Vesta Stoudt worked at an ordnance factory. Her sons served as sailors in the U.S. Navy. She saw critical issues with ammunition box sealing. Wax tape failed, making boxes difficult to open quickly. Stoudt wrote directly to President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Her letter highlighted the urgent battlefield necessity. Roosevelt forwarded her brilliant idea immediately. Johnson & Johnson's Permasil division took the challenge. Led by chemist Reed Gardner, they innovated rapidly. They developed a rubber-based adhesive on cotton duck fabric. This green-colored tape was incredibly durable. It became known as duct tape due to its backing. GIs quickly adopted it for myriad battlefield repairs. They patched jeeps, sealed equipment, even fixed rifles. Its military name was Utility Tape M19. This quick fix saved lives and vital equipment. After the war, soldiers brought the tape home. Its uses quickly expanded beyond military applications. Plumbers discovered its excellent sealing properties. They used it to seal air ducts and pipe joints. This new application earned it the name duct tape. The color also shifted from military green to silver. Silver matched common ductwork, enhancing its appeal. Polyethylene coating replaced the original fabric. This provided better waterproofing and flexibility. Modern duct tape evolved into a household staple. From battlefields to homes, its legacy endures. Duct tape still fixes, mends, and creates daily. People fashion wallets, dresses, and art from it. Astronauts even use it for emergency space repairs. Its journey is quite remarkable, truly inspiring. Next time you grab a roll, remember its history. Vesta Stout's simple idea revolutionized repairs. This humble wartime birth shaped countless industries. Duct tape remains a testament to ingenious problem-solving. It's more than tape, it's a piece of history. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of everyday items.